little bit better right there, just southwest of Ruston. You can't stress that enough for the folks in the Ruston community. Make sure you are in your safe place right now. And if you know folks in the Ruston community, give them a call, wake them up, tell them right now is the time to do it. You can tune in with us on Facebook Live, NBC, or Fox. Trying to read as many comments as I can on the Facebook Live. They're coming in quick, so I apologize if we don't get to you immediately. But if you're asking where you're at, if you're asking what you're looking like, this is the zoomed out look where the folks under the tornado warning. This includes kind of half of Lincoln Parish. That includes Farmerville and Southern Union Parish. It includes Western Ouachita Parish. That includes Shinny. That includes I-20, Highway 80. You see Calhoun, Forksville, Carlton, all in that area. Cartwright in northern Jackson Parish. Jackson Parish looking like they're not going to be seeing this rotation enter that area, though, as it is just kind of passing through Ruston. So I'm going to read off some of these streets. South Maple Street, Bulldog Drive for the folks in Louisiana Tech. If you have students there, if you know students there, give them a call heading right over campus here soon. West Alabama Ave, East Mississippi Ave, essentially heading right through the heart of Ruston. So right now this is not confirmed, but radar indicated. Earlier we had a confirmed tornado. You're going to want to act as it is a confirmed tornado and be in your safe place right now. The small, low interior room at your home. It's going to be a bathroom, going to be a closet with as many walls in between you and the outside as possible. We're looking at this storm relative velocity, which is the storm's motion. Right now, the newest scan just came out. This is right over southwest Ruston. So let me give it a circle for you, and we can zoom in down to street level, and I can tell you exactly what we're looking at. That bright red and that bright green next to each other, right near Cary Avenue, Robert Street, South Maple Street, West Barnett Springs Ave, West Alabama Ave. Again, you're seeing a Bulldog Drive there. That's heading right over Louisiana Tech. If you have a student there, if you know any students at Louisiana Tech, be sure to give them a call, get in your safe place right now. If you are at Louisiana Tech, get in your safe place. You see all these areas? This is heading northeast at 45 miles per hour, so rather quickly. By the next scan, we're going to be up a little closer to Tech Drive, Westwood Drive. You got Colvin Street, Cooktown Road. I do apologize if I'm naming any of your roads wrong, but I'm trying to give you the most hyper-local kind of description of where this rotation would be. Make sure that you're getting in that safe place immediately. We do have this tornado warning still in effect until 2:15 a.m. Current time is 1:51. So this is heading right over Ruston, over the Louisiana Tech area, heading towards downtown, just south of I-20. All those folks in Ruston really going to want to be in your safe place immediately. We are looking at this radar-indicated tornado, and the latest that we heard from the National Weather Service 1 minute ago, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ruston, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. So you hear that wording there. It is capable of producing a tornado, but with the storm relative velocities here, that's our tool that we use to kind of get an idea of where that would be. Right over Ruston. For all the folks at Tech, if you have students at Tech, if you know students at Tech, give them a call. This is heading right over the heart of the Ruston community, where you're seeing the bright green and the bright red couplet right on top of each other. That is where any radar-indicated tornado would be. That's the reason that we have this tornado warning in effect with you. So make sure you stick with us here, especially for those folks in Ruston. Again, don't feel bad for waking them up. This is dangerous. This thing is moving quick. Latest scan just came out. We're going to have to move it just about right over I-20 now. So again, it is passing through the Ruston area. If you zoom out, you can see this couplet there of the red and the green. This is right on top of I-20 in parts of Lincoln Parish. Zoom in here. This is going to be for areas, again, right over Tech, La Mesa, Cooktown, East Reynolds Drive, Trenton Street, Vienna Street, Lee Avenue, State Road 544, Bulldog Drive, and importantly, I-20 and Highway 80. Kind of heading right over there. If you know folks there, again, tell them to be careful. You're going to want to be in your safe place immediately if you're in those areas.
Just to give people kind of an update here, I know I've seen a lot of people asking about Union Parish and Ouachita Parish. That it's a rather large tornado warning with this right now, and you're getting those emergency alerts on your phone, which is a good thing, but that's just to kind of give you a heads up. You're in the warning. Yes, you need to be in your safe place, and from what we can tell right now, it looks like folks mainly in Union Parish need to be keeping their eyes on this. It looks like just with the track where this is going, snowing, even though portions of Ouachita Parish are under that tornado warning. You need to be in your safe place. However, it looks like more like Union Parish. So again, Monroe is not in that tornado warning. Again, the area of rotation is going right over Ruston, but for folks asking about Monroe, West Monroe, you guys are in the clear for now. We're going to be focusing mainly on the Ruston area as the circulation continues to pass. Actually, it looks like it has just passed over Ruston proper here, and it continues now to push off into kind of more rural areas.
Yeah, heading up just north of I-20 now, this area of rotation is. So it's out of the tech area, out of that downtown Ruston area, heading just north of I-20 throughout parts of Lincoln Parish. So we're starting to look downstream here. You see Stable Road, you see the Douglas community, Cedarton, Mineral Springs. Those areas sound familiar to you? Make sure you're giving people a call there. If you're in those areas, make sure you're getting in your safe place right now. We're heading down. It is heading towards parts of Union Parish. Again, still a bit of a ways out. We can draw the storm track on this and try to get a kind of rough timing on when this thing is going to be heading up that direction. Farmerville, 2:18 a.m. The current time is 1:54. We got a ways to go on that. We're going to be focusing here mainly on the areas where the actual circulation is, heading through one of our densely populated cities in our coverage area here, and that's going to be Ruston and Grambling. Now, it's pretty much through Ruston at this time, just getting north of I-20. Still going to want to be in your safe place until the tornado warning is up. We're still looking at this tornado threat, and that's going to be throughout the next,
We're getting some reports of power outages in Ruston. I've noticed on Facebook Live as well. National Weather Service also confirming that. So Ruston Police confirming power outages in the city as this storm has moved through. Again, I can't speculate exactly what caused that. Obviously, it's the storm, but we can't speculate if it was damaging winds or something else. But again, just give you got a heads up here. The storm is not messing around. It's doing some damage, and folks need to be paying attention to it as it continues to work towards the north and the east. So, and folks in Farmerville, you're in that warning. You need to be paying attention to this storm as it now kind of pushes off into more rural areas here of Lincoln Parish. It'll be crossing into Union Parish here probably about the next 10 to 15 minutes or so. And again, folks in Farmerville and Downsville, you need to be paying attention. And this tornado warning, again, goes till 2:15 a.m., and we're coming up to, we're about 5 minutes away from 2 o'clock. So, again, this storm is moving very, very quickly to the northeast. But good news is, I think with the latest velocity that we're seeing, kind of more broadening of the winds.
Yeah, definitely broadening out. We are getting further and further away from that Shreveport radar. Our radar, which gives you a closer look to the ground, can kind of give you a rough look at where any rotation would be, kind of still matching up just northeast of Ruston. This is for areas in Lincoln Parish. Kind of circle that and give you an idea of what we're talking about here. The newest scan just came out, still pretty much the same place. Severe thunderstorm warning was just issued for us here in Monroe, West Monroe, all of Ouachita Parish, parts of southern Union Parish. This is from a different storm. If I give you a real quick look at the reflectivities, I think that our Shreveport radar are going to give you the best look here. If we turn the lightning on, lots of thunder and lightning in this storm, so this is heading northeast. We're going to be dealing with this severe thunderstorm warning here shortly. We can kind of give you a rough timing here. If it's heading that way. Here at our station, 223, that's in West Monroe, Monroe 231. So this storm is heading this direction. That's only a severe thunderstorm, though. We are tracking a tornado warning. This tornado warning storm is continuing to move. This rotation has broadened out a bit. That is kind of the silver lining of what we're looking at on the screen right now. What we usually look for is the bright green and the bright red right on top of each other. So I can kind of circle the red and the green couplet that we have on the screen. It is just north of Shudra, just northeast of Vienna, but not quite as defined of what we have been seeing earlier. So that's, again, a silver lining that we can find. Getting reports of power outages in Ruston. If you lost us, if you know anyone who lost us, you can still get us on, again, Facebook Live, NBC, or Fox. And the ULM radar showing a tornado debris signature right now over the north side of Ruston. So this is exactly where this is right here, this circled area. Now that we're at the Shreveport radar, we're starting to shoot a little bit higher in the sky. So it might not look as good, but that does not say there's not a tornado on the ground. This is just Again, radar indicated. We're keeping our eyes on this. For the folks, though, if you are in Lincoln Parish, I would still be in that safe place. Heading up towards Darbone, Lake Darbone, including up towards Farmerville as well. See the Farmerville community, they're just downstream. You got Cox Ferry, Mosley's Bluff, Holmesville, Culbertson, Gills Ferry. If any of those areas sound familiar to you, be in your safe place. Rock Corner, Cedarton, Mineral Springs. This rotation is heading right towards you. That includes Douglas. So we did see this pass through just north of Ruston.